Gloria. I'm Gloria, and today I want to share with you something delicious that I know you guys are going to love. It's my version of Starbucks mango dragon fruit lemonade. I make it here at home, and why not share with you so you can share with your family and enjoy it, because summer is just around the corner. I am so ready to start, but first things first. My apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. These are my ingredients. I have the tea, passion fruit tea, extract of pineapple. It's an extract very concentrated. I have the mango extract, sugar, limes, water, and of course our dragon fruit. Why not make it at home? Enjoy that delicious drink that we buy in Starbucks. Why not enjoy it with our family here at home? Let's enjoy it. Let's get started. I want to start with my tea. I have a cup here, and I'm adding 3 bags of the tea. And I'm going to just add very hot water that I have already warmed up. This is the first step for making this delicious tea. So let me add the water. The color starts coming out of the bags of the tea. Look at this. This is the very first step. I'm going to go ahead, put it aside, and let it start cooling down and concentrating all that liquid, okay? So I'll put it on the side. Now I am going to continue making my simple syrup. I have my sugar here. I am going to start adding my water. And let's take this to the stove and start making our simple syrup. My friends, here I am making my simple syrup. This is a very important step, because this is how we know how much sugar we are adding to our agua frescas or our teas. At this moment, I'm going to leave it here for about 3 to 4 minutes until it's completely dissolved. So I'll see you back when this is done. My friends, my simple syrup is done. It's nice. The sugar has dissolved completely. It's nice, and a little bit, the color has changed just a little bit to a slightly yellow. That's normal. I'm going to turn off my stove. I'm going to leave it here just to rest so it could cool down just a little bit. So I'll see you back in a little bit. I have my lemons here, my limes. I'm going to go ahead and start cutting them right in the center. These are my organic limes from my tree. I want to show you they have no seeds, but they are very, very juicy. I'm going to go ahead and get the juice out of my limes. We're going to need about 1 cup, just 1 cup of the juice of the limes, but they are so full of juice. They're just delicious. Okay, I want to show you that it's about 1 cup. That's how much we need of the juice. I have my dragon fruit here. I'm going to go ahead and just slice it right in the center so I could show you how the pulp looks inside. It's very, very red, a very rich red. And what I'm going to do is just start slicing it way on the bottom of the pulp. And I like to do this just like this because the juices start running out and we don't want to throw away any of the juice. I have a plate here with a spoon. I'm going to help myself by getting all that delicious pulp out of the dragon fruit. Look at this. It's so soft, so sweet. There's a lot of juices in this dragon fruit, and that's what we don't want to waste, okay? So that's why I'm just doing it carefully, getting all that out. Let me show you. Look from close up how this looks. Really vibrant red. Okay, here I have my cup of my blender. I'm going to start by adding all the pulp, and of course I don't want to throw away any of those juices, so I'm just adding a little bit of water right on the top of the plate and adding it to my cup, my blender cup. I'm going to add my juice here, my simple syrup. Remember, the simple syrup is to taste, okay? I'm adding everything here. I'm going to go ahead, cover it, and I'm just going to blend it just for a little bit. But look how delicious this looks. All those little pieces. Just a couple seconds, and this is done. Everything has been mixed completely, and I'm ready for my pitcher. I have here my pitcher. I'm going to start by adding all that, everything I have in my little blender. I'm going to go ahead, add it in. I am going to add the liquids of the tea. Okay, I'm removing the tea bags, and I'm going to go ahead and add those liquids in there. Look at the color. They're very vibrant. The tea gives it such a delicious flavor. Now I'm just adding water. I'm going to go ahead and look. What I am going to do, and I have the other half of my dragon fruit. I'm going to cut it in very little squares. But when I start taking the pulp out, I'm going to just be like slicing it with my spoon. And I'm going to show you that step, because these are the little pieces that we want to have in our agua fresca, in our cup. We want to make sure, look, slowly we're just taking all those little pieces out and leaving the dragon fruit skin by itself. I'm going to put a little bit on my hand because I want you to see the little pieces that I left behind. Look at this. Of course, my hand is very red because the color is so concentrated that I know that I'm going to have a red hand for a couple of days. But now I'm going to add all the pulp into my pitcher. Look at this. Now I am so ready to taste it to see if I need to add just a little more simple syrup, which I am. I'm going to add just a little more. And then I am ready to start adding all the ice. Let's start adding all this ice. We want this nice and cold, nice and refreshing. You know, summer is right around the corner, and we want to enjoy this. Enjoy it with our family. Why not do it at home? And you know, less expensive too. Here I have my extracts. I have pineapple and mango, and I am adding 2 tablespoons of each to my pitcher. This is going to just bring up all the flavors. When you try it, my friends, I know that you guys are going to love it. I hope that you guys leave behind really good comments. I like reading your comments, my friends. Well, here I'm adding everything in here, and now I am so ready. Look at this. The colors are so beautiful. The color is such a burgundy color. I don't know if you could really see it, you know, in the camera, but in person is very vibrant colors. I want to show you, my friends, how this came out. This is perfection. This tea, it just came out delicious tea. Dragon fruit, mango, lemonade. This is exactly like the drink we buy at Starbucks. I want to share with you what I enjoy here in my family, with my family. And look at this. All the little pieces of the dragon fruit float right to the top where the ice is. So I'll see you in a bit when I am ready to prepare my glass of this delicious tea. dragon fruit mango lemonade. Look at this. With one fruit, I got 2 big pitchers out of 1 fruit. Let me show you. When I go to Starbucks and I want to enjoy this tea, well, this is the one I get, the Trenta. The very large one because I love to enjoy it here at home. And why not? We save money by making it here at home. Perfect, delicious. I'm not showing the logo because you know I cannot show it. But you know something? Why not make it at home? It comes out delicious. And of course, with 1 fruit, you make 2 pitchers, of course. So we save money and we enjoy at home whenever we feel like having something delicious, something sweet, something refreshing. Why not make it at home, my friends? If you liked and loved my recipe, please don't forget to give me like, to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget, because that's the way Gloria, Cooking with Gloria, will continue growing with your help. If you liked and loved my recipe, please don't forget to give me like. Don't forget to push the notification bell so every time I make a new recipe, my friends, yes, you are notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I will stay enjoying my dragon mango lemonade. Bye-bye.